Oh, she's kicking.
Oh, she kicked it.
There's a goal.
Yes, that's a great line.
Oh, good job. We'll take down your tree before long here.
Uh-oh.
Just give us a few minutes.
And that was my...
Oh, got it.
Oh. Go on. Are you kicking or throwing? Throw it to Zoe.
And
Anthony.
Shammy's going to check everything out.
Anthony.
Shay, go away. Go lay down.
Throw it to Zoe.
Yay!
Wow.
Oh!
It's okay, Anthony. Go get it. Go get it. No harm, no foul.
You got him right on the noggin. Careful with your throwing, Zoe.
You have a good arm.